So Daddy we're gonna make a burger for everyone. So that is Mr. Beef. Prepare something. There. Oh, look at that. That is rain at the backyard. And the sun is shining. And look at my banana tree. So, yan. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Okay. Daddy, what's that?
Hamburger.
Hamburger? What flavor? Yeah. Wow. Meron po dyan Ay, ayun. So we have grill, lechong paksiw, pansit, pinapaitan. Ayun, nanay. I'll get inside. So, ayan. There's Uncle McEdward. Oh, there's Axel. Yay! Kain na. So, yan. Madami tayong food. Oh. I think the spoon. There's a spoon. Ooh. There's the spoon in pork. Yeah, walang lalagyan doon. Teka lang. Yung pang-tong. Sunny, where's the tongs? For that. Yeah. Ooh, Uncle Mike. There's Nanay. Yeah, for the for there. For the pancit and yeah. Hello kids. Sige.